Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and a very good day, everyone. This week we are going to look into multimedia element, one of the multimedia elements, and that is text. Okay, so I have actually separated uh, the lesson into few parts. So we'll start off with part one. Okay, so basically, we're going to look at text. What is text and how text is actually used or utilized in web design. Okay, so this is the outline. We're going to look at the text elements, text usages, size, style, categories of fonts, paragraph alignment, hypertext, efficient use of text, guidelines of choosing fonts. All right. Okay, now basically, when we talk about text, they are words or symbols in any form, spoken or written, and most common in our so-called system. Okay, so it is used for multimedia application, and with multimedia technology, text can be combined with other media in a powerful. So all in all, we use text, and I think when you look at any web design, most of the elements, text is one of the elements that is used often. Okay. And then when we talk about, text, basically we are actually looking at a few aspects or how the text is actually manipulated in designing a web. It can be used for page titles, to deliver information of multiple sentences, can be as long as few paragraphs up to a point that it becomes pages and pages of words. And text also can be used to label for pictures, and also it can be a set of instructions in operating certain things, certain applications, so on and so forth. All right. So some of the text elements that we have here, we have, of course, the alphabets. We have E until Z, or small letters E until Z. We have numbers and also special characters. Okay. And if you notice, if you, let's say you want to, they ask you to, you're required to come up with a password, for example. They will ask you to write a write a password that includes all of these, alphabets, numbers, and special characters. All right. Okay. How text is actually used in a web, for web designing. It is used for heading, for title, can be in a form of bullet or list, paragraphing, scrolling text, navigation, text as graphics. So we'll just look at some of the example that I have provided here. So this is a page from the Star Online. You can see that the word the Star itself is used as a graphic, as a text, but it is used as a graphic. The navigation panels on the left hand side here is where text is used, is written, so that you can choose, um, uh, anything from this website, if you like to go to, because sometimes they put here in topical navigation, where you can have news, corporate IT, home users, so on and so forth. And of course, this is the heading. As you can see, from your view, you can see that the first thing that you will look at is the heading. All right, that is where your eyes will first notice about this so-called the whole text in on this page, the heading. And then of course you can see that smaller fonts are used for paragraphing. Yeah. And when we talk about scrolling text is something like this. Sometimes the page that is provided is very small. However, you need longer text to be included in on the page. So we use scrolling text where people can actually scroll. All right. Okay, to read until the end.